guys, and welcome back to another video. So again, this is Mail Mail, and this time it is from Smileys Glitter Store. So let's get into this. Right. So I went and got the stamping plate because I am forever getting asked for these logos, and when I'm painting them it does take a little while to do, well not ages, but obviously adds time onto the treatment. So I've got this as a way of quickening up those treatments that get asked for this, so I will show you me using this. I also got, I love this little bag, very pretty, some of their stickers so that it's easier just to stick these on and then encapsulate them with obviously either acrylic or with your gels. So I'm not going to show you me using these because you all know how to use these anyway, but I will show you me using this stamping plate. So I'm just going to show you me using this stamping plate. Now please excuse the state of my nails. I've not had time to do my Christmas nails yet, so I do apologise, and I was painting earlier, so that's my little paint palette. So anyway, I will also say, when it comes to stamping, I am absolutely terrible. I am a really good freehand artist. Stamping is something that I've not really managed to get the hang of, which is crazy, I know. So if you hear any noises, it's just because my flower baskets are banging off at the side of the cabin. So anyway, I am just going to be using my Born Pretty stamping gels because I think these are really handy and I find them easy to use. And I'm just going to show you on two different tips. So we will take one of these designs. So I'm just popping the gel on there, taking my scraper and just scraping down to make sure that has got a good amount on it, taking my roller, rolling over. Now I will not use acetone on my stamper because it removes layers from the rubber head, or silicone head, sorry. So I use a lint-free roller. So all I'm doing is just removing what I don't want to be on the nail with my roller, just like that. Now because this is gel, it's not like the polishes, it won't dry instantly, so you've got quite a lot of time to play with this, and then I could go over this again and use the same one without having to remove that like you would with the polish. So I'm just going to take this, now this doesn't cover this full nail, but that's fine, I'm just wanting to see how the stamper works anyway, and that gives you quite a good, I like that actually, really nice. So I'm just wanting to show you what I mean by you can go over this again. There is another video which I have done, so there you go, you'll see it's not as good because I've took quite a lot of that off, but there is another video that I've done using these when I got them to show you. So I'm just going to remove that, and then we're going to do one of the individual logos. I'll just clean this off. So to clean this, I'm just using acetone and just making sure I've got all that there. So we shall now go in, and that needs to be popped in the lamp to cure. As I say, this won't be set until you pop it in the lamp, which I'm just going to put it aside and pop them both in at the same time. So I'm just going to come in with a different colour and try one of these ones at the top here. So shall we do let's go with Gucci. So again, just popping my gel down, bringing my scraper, scraping over that a few times to make sure there's gel in there, taking my, now you can see I've not scraped it enough because there is quite a lot of that excess around there, so I'm just going to remove that And then scrape over this again. And then back in with my roller. Again, just going to come in and nearly took the whole thing away there. Remove the sections that I do not want on there. I'm putting more on and taking off. Right. Just coming in with a fresh bit here so that I could get a good clean area to take away that bits that I'm not wanting. Oh, there's still another wee bit there. And then I'm just going to plop this onto the nail. So just like so. And then you can come in before curing this in the lamp and just tidy up the areas that you're not happy with. So I'll pop that in the lamp to cure now. Now, if I was doing this on a client, I would come in and just tidy up those excess areas. But yeah, so that's that design. And then again, I'll come in and clean this. So just to clean this, I am just using acetone. And give it a right good clean off. To clean what's left on that, I'm just using my lint roller. So while that's in the lamp curing, I'm just going to show you with a stamp and polish. We'll do this video one. So I've managed to pick it up okay, which usually I am absolutely terrible at. So I'm just going to clean away the sections that I don't want. And then I shall stamp this onto the nail. So I went with the black background. So there we go. So I'm finding this stamping plate is going to make my life so much easier for all those people that like to have these logos put onto their nails. Now I'll leave the description in the comments below so that you can see where I got this from, and it wasn't actually that expensive either. So I'll go just now, well I better show you the nails first. So these are the stamping polishes. Obviously they're all stamping polishes. These are the gel stamping paints from Born Pretty, and then the white is the Moyu stamping nail polish. So they both work really good on this stamping plate, and I am over the moon with it. So anyway, as I was saying before, I'll leave just now. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please like and subscribe for future videos, and I'll speak to you guys in the next video. Bye for now.